I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming it's dead with a multimeter, safety first. Once done, walk the run and visually inspect fixtures, connections, and transformer for obvious damage or corrosion so you know what to replace. Make sure to note fixture types and bulb ratings before buying parts. Next, remove one suspect fixture and test its socket and cable continuity. This establishes a baseline and identifies whether the issue is confined to a fixture, run, or the transformer. Now focus on the middle, transformer and wiring. Measure output voltage with the system powered and with a load. Voltage sag indicates overload or bad transformer. Then inspect all splice boxes and connectors for loose screws, corrosion, or insect damage. Tighten or replace as needed. Once done, trace the low-voltage cable runs using continuity and isolation tests to locate opens or shorts. If you find a damaged run, cut back to solid insulation, resplice with proper connectors, and reseal with outdoor-rated materials. Finish by replacing any bad components identified: fixtures, bulbs, sockets, or the transformer. Use outdoor-rated parts and match voltage and wattage specs so you don't repeat the failure. After replacements, power up and test under load. Walk the circuit checking each fixture for proper output and even brightness. Make sure timers and photocells operate correctly, then seal all splices with heat shrink or epoxy and label connections. If lights still flicker, one key troubleshooting tip: swap in a known good transformer to isolate whether the transformer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.